to madhurasrecipe.com. I am Madhura and today we are making chili cheese toast. It's one of the quick, easy and delicious recipe. So to make this cheese toast we need 4 slices of wheat bread and we need a toaster. So first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this bread into toaster and we need to toast this very lightly. We want just a little bit texture for this bread. That's done. Now it needs to get very light browning from both the sides of this bread, like that. You don't want to burn this bread. Now next I will keep this aside, and here in a bowl I have got mozzarella cheese and I'm gonna season this up with some black pepper, and we'll go ahead and add chopped green chili, salt, and you need just a tiny bit of salt as this cheese itself is very salty. Now next we'll add in a little bit of grated garlic, which is purely optional. Then we'll add chopped tomatoes, and I have removed seeds from these tomatoes. Then I have chopped coriander leaves and just a little drizzle of olive oil, about half teaspoon or so. That's it. Now give it a good mix. And that looks nice. All the seasoning is well combined with this cheese. Now next I will take these toasted bread slices and will spread this cheese mixture over this evenly. Take another bread and spread that out. And now here this cheese mixture is equally distributed over this toasted bread slices. Now next step is I'm gonna put this tray into oven and I'm gonna broil this for next about 2 to 3 minutes. It's cook really fast on broil mode, so you need to keep an eye on that. And it's been oven for just about 2 minutes. Now let me take this out. My one of the oven glove is missing today, so let me try with kitchen towel. Yum, that looks perfect. Look at that. This cheese is melted all over this bread. Awesome. Now let me just keep this aside. I will grab a plate. Just take me one of the bread slice with the help of pizza cutter. Just cut that. It's got wonderful crust around edges. Lovely. And look at that, how cheesy and gooey it has turned. Yum. And that looks awesome. It barely took 10 minutes to get ready. Now if you want this recipe or my any other recipes, then please go to my website, that is www.madhurasrecipe.com. Also join us on Facebook or any other social media to get daily updates. Thank you and see you soon in another great recipe.